As a busy mom, calendaring has saved my life. I was getting to a point where I was forgetting way too many things, and I'm not much of like a planner person, but this was something we ended up having to do, and it has worked out super well. So I think this planner has been, or this calendar has been great. This is a 22 by 15 size, which has been perfect for my wall. It's been a great size. It's a 15-month calendar, and so it goes from April of 2026 to June of 2027, which again worked out really well for me because I think I started in June of last year and I needed a new one. So I was grateful that it will last, not only pass through 2026, but also give me that little extra 6 months that I am needing before having to buy a new one. So it's made with a really thick paper. I feel like the paper itself has been a really good thickness. It's not too flimsy. It's just right in there. I love the size of this, especially like I said, because I can go in and write all of our daily appointments and all the places we have to be. And so I feel like the squares are a really good size. I love that it's black and white and easy to read. I've attempted to add color to mine, but I do like the simplicity of just the black and the white. And then it also has tearaway pages, so when you're done, you can go ahead and rip those off. And then it also has this clear film on the top, so it can be used as a protective cover. So depending on where you need to put this, it also has that extra layer of protection if you're wanting that as well. So if you are looking for another calendar, I think this one is great. I love it. Also has those little pocket corners to help keep the pages in place. And then I use fishing wire to hang it through these holes. So I love that I have that option too. Just a lot of great uses for this. And again, this has been working out really well for us. So you should definitely check it out.